Oh, yummy. Good work. Good work. Whoopsie. Hold on, hold on. Okay. Oh, are you ready? Okay. Good job. This is our third day of solid food. Yes. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Oh, are you ready for some more? I think you are. So the first day he was very calm. Yesterday we didn't video him. He was a little more freaky about it. And today he's really excited. Oh, oops. Closed the mouth a little prematurely. Good job. Good job, Thor. So exciting. Are you ready? Keep the mouth open. Good work. Good work. I think some of that went down. Yeah. If you spin your hands, it helps. Okay. Oh, explosion there. We're excited. We haven't quite figured it out, but it's fun. Hold on. You've got it all over. Oh, I'm sorry. I don't mean to laugh at you. Good job. That one worked well. Let's wipe you off. You know, we're going as fast as we can. Nice job. Good work, Thor. A little spitting. Sorry. Okay, Mom needs to calm down too. Are you ready? Okay. Did you get any in your mouth? In your throat, I mean?